I'm Renato Ortega, artist name Go5. Everyone calls me Gio. Alumni of the illustration department of Mass Art, class of '09.
My name is Wiso. I'm a member of the GN crew. I'm a graffiti artist. I've been doing graffiti since I was like 14 years old. And from graffiti, I grew into doing street art and murals with the team.
I identify as Lee Beard. I identify as Square Bear. I identify as Lee McGee. I identify as a statement that's said and it just like goes over your head. Like I identify like that. Like that's who I am.
Yo, I'm pro-black. Peace, Boston. Grew up in Roxbury, born and raised between Lenox Street and Orchard Park projects, and been a Boston resident ever since.
For me, being that knucklehead that got in trouble a lot at Mass Art at first, coming back to Mass Art and being able to do an artist residency is just a blessing because it just shows how far we have gotten with the culture and the people in the space.
Doing this artist residency with Mass Art, I was really excited to be a part of it. Mass Art is a staple for Boston, especially young aspiring artists. It's definitely a school that people want to go to, and to be a part of that was a great experience. And they're providing us with an opportunity to influence another generation.
The students are very progressive, so they obviously are able to cling to things and understand things way faster than I personally ever could. So to see that out of them was just very I just felt like I was just amongst a newer generation of individuals that are going to take things further, you know, the older and wiser they get.
Be invited into the school versus sneaking in there is a ultimate flex. Like it's one of those things where you never thought that you would have a place in an institution that has this, how could I say it, this system, this kind of like curriculum that teaches art. So to be able to add on to a curriculum with like a brand new way of learning has a high impact, and the students are receptive to the work that we've done because they know that, we've walked the talk. We're not just standing in front of them imagining a world, but actually contributing to it with our pieces.
It makes you feel good. It makes you feel good that you're doing something, you're passing down like a legacy. You're passing down something. You're passing down knowledge. And then when you finally have the opportunity to do the same thing that your mentors did for you, you get a sense of, authenticity. Then you can literally understand for yourself being a teacher at a later point in time where you're like, all right, you know what? Like, I do need to learn the bare basics of everything first. Like, this is actually going to help me within my graffiti or art career in general. I need to know these basic things.
I think that being able to find a space with a bunch of group of people who can just help guide you and become a better artist, I think that's the best thing for a young artist, to really find their voice earlier with the help of the artists who come before them. So,
my expectations or my wants going into the Mass Art Black Book session was creating good energy, because that's what you need in any project from start to finish.
And the residency at Mass Art is amazing because never going to art school, this is just a piece of a fantasy where we used to sneak into the studios of the artists and look at their black books. Again, a lot of us are self-taught, so we wanted to hang around the best. And in the city of Boston, Mass Art is known as that school. So to be able to tap in and have influence over who's about to be the future creatives, that's a large deal, being a creative myself.
So coming back and doing it with some of the new students from a lot of different departments was really dope. I feel like we got a lot of feedback and a lot of interest in doing your art and kind of learning the culture in graffiti. They're really open to the idea of just kind of just sitting and vibing and building, even with the old guys like us. So.